So the Huawei's Mate 80 series has been dominating sales, but now there is a new contender rising up. The Huawei Nova 15 series is looking like it could be Huawei's next sales monster, and the numbers are seriously impressive. See, according to the sources on Weibo, the Nova 15 just hit the top of the mid-range segment with crazy sales figures. As of third week of 2026, Huawei sold 7,25,600 units of the Nova 15 series. And for a mid-range phone, that's a huge deal. Let's look at how fast this thing is climbing. First week after launch, 1,77,000 units. First week of 2026, that jumped to 4,13,000 units. Second week hit 5,70,000 units, and now we are at 7,25,000 units in the third week. That's a weekly increase of over 1,56,000 units just between weeks 2 and 3. People are saying the Nova 15 hasn't just met Huawei's sales expectations, it's blown past them. It's opening up a new option in the affordable smartphone segment, and it's even starting to catch up with the Redmi K90 series, which is a big deal. Now, some netizens are pointing out that while these numbers are good, they are still lower than the Huawei Mate 80 because a lot of people are rushing to buy the flagship instead. But here's the thing, the Nova 15 has a real shot at outselling most Android mid-range phones, and that's exactly what Huawei needs right now. So why is the Nova 15 selling so well? It all comes down to what Huawei packed into this phone. First, the design. It's got this DSLR-like camera structure on the back that looks seriously premium. It doesn't look like a mid-range phone at all. But the real standout feature is something Huawei calls the double surprise. They put two multi-spectral camera lenses on the phone, one on the front and one on the back. What that means is both your selfies and your regular photos get rich, accurate colors. Most mid-range phones compromises on the front cameras, but Huawei went all on both. Then you've got the Harmony OS 6.0 running this show paired with the current chips. That combination boosts performance and makes the whole experience smooth. You're getting flagship level software and processing power in a phone that doesn't cost flagship money. All of these factors are why the Nova 15 is crushing it right now. If this momentum keeps up, the Nova 15 series could end up being Huawei's next big sales hit, right behind the Huawei Mate 80. And honestly, with these kinds of numbers in just the first few weeks, it looks like Huawei's mid-range phone game is as strong as their flagship lineup. So yeah, what do you guys think about it? Share your thoughts on it in the comments down below, and as always, I will keep you guys posted in the next one. Peace out.